Welcome to Crafts for Kindness. I'm Elena, and today I'll show you how to make this cute fringed fleece blanket. This blanket is great as a gift, or you can add a stuffy in a bedtime book and donate it to a shelter for kids leaving violent situations. Let's get started.
You will need 1 3/4 yards or 1.6 meters of anti-pill Arctic or blizzard type fleece. Scraps are great for this project, but they need to be at least 10 inches by 10 inches. Coordinating thread, sewing machine, straight pins, sharp scissors, a stitch ripper, optional but useful, a rotary cutter and mat, optional but useful, or a ruler and chalk.
Now it's time to lay out our squares in a 6x5 grid. You can use checkerboard, diagonal lines, or just random. Make sure you lay them out with the fuzzier side up. You will stack one row at a time. Start on the right-hand side and put each square on top of the one before it. When you are done, set your row aside and start your next row. Pile up your rows, switching between straight and diagonal. This will make it much easier to sew. Now it's time to sew. Start by stacking the top 2 squares with the not so fuzzy sides together. Straighten the edges and then pin down one side. Now we sew a 1-inch seam along the pinned side. I use tape to help make straight lines. Make sure you take out the pins as you sew. Now you'll pin the square to what you just sewed, not the fuzzy sides together. Sew this new seam. Continue pinning and sewing your first row and then set it aside. You'll do this for all 5 rows. Once you've finished sewing your rows, you will take 2 rows and put them wrong sides together. Line up the edge, open up your seams like a book, and pin along the whole length. Sew a 1-inch seam and repeat. Next, you will stitch rip at the corners down to the seams. This is optional, but it looks very tidy. Then tie the 2 threads in a knot and trim. Otherwise, just trim the loose threads. Finally, we fringe. Using sharp scissors, cut even strips most of the way to the seam. Repeat on all seams. And then we're done. And you're done. This blanket makes a great gift or a great donation to a children's charity. Check out the description for the link to my blog, and don't forget to subscribe to see new videos when they're posted. Thanks for watching!